Pros of using KNN. 1. Simplicity. KNN is one of the simplest machine learning algorithms. Its intuitive nature makes it easy to understand and implement. To number training phase. As a lazy learning algorithm, KNN does not involve a training phase. It stores the entire training dataset and performs classification at the time of prediction. 3. Versatility. KNN can be used for both classification and regression tasks, making it a flexible choice for various types of problems. 4. Adaptability. The algorithm can easily adapt to new data. As new data points are added, they are simply incorporated into the dataset without needing to retrain a model. 5. Number assumptions about data. KNN makes no assumptions about the underlying data distribution. It is a non-parametric method, which means it can be used in various scenarios without worrying about model assumptions. Cons of using KNN. 1. Computationally expensive. KNN requires computing the distance between the query point and all points in the dataset, which can be very time-consuming for large datasets. 2. Storage intensive. The algorithm needs to store all the training data, which can be memory intensive, especially with large datasets. 3. Sensitive to irrelevant features. The presence of irrelevant or redundant features can significantly affect the performance of KNN, as it treats all features equally in distance calculations. 4. Curse of dimensionality. The performance of KNN degrades with increasing dimensionality of the data. High-dimensional spaces can cause distances to become less meaningful. 5. Choice of K. The choice of the parameter, K, is critical. Too small a value can make the algorithm sensitive to noise, while too large a value can dilute the effect of closer neighbors. 6. Scalability issues. KNN is not suitable for real-time applications with large datasets due to its high computational cost and scalability issues. Conclusion. K-Nearest Neighbors is a powerful and versatile algorithm with several advantages, such as simplicity, no training phase, and adaptability. However, it also comes with notable drawbacks, including computational expense, sensitivity to irrelevant features, and issues with high-dimensional data. Understanding these pros and cons is essential for effectively applying KNN to various machine learning tasks.